Hello, I'm Lee Shuster, and I'd like to invite you to come fly with me as we literally fly through this quick 2-minute preview. Starting in mid-October, this class will be on Thursday mornings. We'll meet virtually to ensure your safety from 9:30 until 11. I'm the guy on the left. Those are my grandkids, their parents, my wife, and stepson. I grew up in Ohio, and I served in the Air Force. There's way too much info about me on the right panel. I want to introduce you to this exciting and fun hobby. It's a great way to create memories and capture experiences like this surreal train photo. I want you to find this class fun. We'll have lively discussions, I promise. I love to make technology accessible to everyone. In our first week, we'll explore affordable drones you might want to buy based on size, cost, and intended use. Next, we'll cover knowing your rights and the applicable laws. We are still a nation of law-abiding citizens, right? But we can't forget about staying safe. Mostly this is just common sense, but we'll play it by the book. Let's take some aerial photos. Think of the drone as a very long selfie stick with infinite possibilities. In week 5, we'll watch videos to die for. We'll learn how it's done by watching several YouTube high-definition videos. In our Wrap It Up week, you'll learn how to find additional help and make new friends in this growing hobby. Well, we just safely landed. Sign up for Osher 249 today and tell a friend. This is your instructor pilot, Lee Shuster. Thanks for flying with us. Please stay safe and may your days be calm and your skies be blue.